Hello all. Today we will discuss HTML elements. So definition of HTML elements is an HTML element is defined by a starting tag, some content and an ending tag or end tag. The HTML element is everything from the start tag and end tag. Okay. Here look how to write the HTML tag, okay, or HTML elements, total elements. HTML elements consist of what? Start tag. Start tag, how to write the start tag? Inside the angular bracket, means less than symbol, greater than symbol, inside the less than greater than symbol we write a start tag. Start tag is same as the what? End tag, but different is in ending tag we write a symbol as a slash. Here look, we write here but slash, but tag is same. Inside the starting tag and ending tag we write some content, okay. This is called the HTML content or topic. Suppose I say you write some paragraph but using the HTML tag. So here you use the start tag, end tag. Inside the start tag, end tag you write content of the topic, okay. Suppose I say you write with paragraph, okay. Paragraph English word is paragraph, okay. So in paragraph we write p as a considered as a what? Tag of the paragraph. Sure. So here look, this is called the p. In p is consist of what? Angular bracket of less than and greater than, inside it p tag. So total is called the what? P tag. So here starting is a p tag, ending is a what? Same p tag, only slash are there, okay. There is a paragraph tag. This is a paragraph tag, this is the content, okay. So total thing is called what? HTML elements. Total is called HTML elements. Total thing is called HTML elements. So here this is called the start tag, ending tag is a slash p, and this is the paragraph tag that written in the red color is called what? This is the content. The whole things is called the HTML elements. Got it? Second things I will discuss, that is empty HTML elements. Means the tag or the elements which has no end tag and there is no content are there, only start tag, is called the empty elements. So definition what? HTML element with no content are called the empty elements. The BR tag can define a line break and an empty element without a closing tag, okay. What is break statement? Example of elements of empty elements is break statement. So breaks in English word write what? BREAK, break. In the two character of the break considered as a break tag. Here paragraph start with a P, so it considered as a paragraph tag. Break statement is considered as a BR. This is called a this is called a predefined, okay. This is called a predefined. This is not a user defined. It is written in the HTML code, okay. Third section is HTML is not case sensitive. What does it means? Means HTML tag are not case sensitive. P means the same as the capital P is same as the small p. So capital, we can write the HTML code with capital letter or small letter or lowercase. We can write the HTML with lowercase and uppercase. There are no restrictions in HTML, okay. If HTML say you only the HTML code write in the lowercase, and then we use only the lowercase element as a small p. Don't use the capital P. If someone else write the capital P, then it gives a compile time error. Okay. So but in the best practice in HTML, we write small letter, but HTML is a not case sensitive, means we can write both any tags in either small letter or capital letter, but in best practice we write HTML in a lower case. This sessions has already covered, okay, HTML elements, HTML empty elements. HTML is a not case sensitive. In the next session we will discuss on the HTML structure where we write the HTML tag. Okay, thank you all.